Are you dreaming of becoming a pharmacist in Australia? If you're a pharmacist, passing the OPRA exam is a significant milestone. But there's another critical step, demonstrating your English language proficiency. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the accepted English language test for registration in Australia, their score requirements, and how you can prepare to meet them. Let's dive in. Australia recognizes 5 major English language tests for healthcare professionals: Cambridge, IELTS, OET, PTE Academic, and TOEFL IBT. Each test has its own format and scoring requirements, so it's essential to choose the one that suits you best. Let's start with the Cambridge English test, a popular choice for many healthcare professions, including pharmacy, medicine, and more. To meet the requirements, you need an overall score of 185, a minimum score of 185 in listening, reading, and speaking. For writing, the minimum score is 176. If you're taking the test in 2 sittings, make sure no score is below 176. Next up, we have IELTS Academic, a highly trusted option worldwide. Here's what you'll need: an overall score of 7. Listening, reading, and speaking scores must each be at least 7. Writing requires a minimum score of 6.5. Even if you take it in 2 sittings, no component can score below 6.5. If you want a test designed specifically for healthcare professionals, the OET is a great option. You'll need a minimum of B in listening, reading, and speaking. For writing, the requirement is C+. Across 2 sittings, no component can go below C+. The PTE Academic is a fast, computer-based test widely accepted for healthcare professionals, and one of the tests which you can crack it easily. You need an overall score of 66. Scores for listening, reading, and speaking must also be 66 or higher. Writing has a minimum requirement of 56, with no score below that in 2 sittings. These scores will be effective from April 2025. And finally, the TOEFL IBT, a great option if you're familiar with American English. The total score must be 94. Listening, reading, and writing each require 24, while speaking requires 23. For 2 sittings, make sure your scores don't fall below. Listening, 20, reading 19, writing 24, speaking 20. Wondering which test is right for you? If you're comfortable with general academic English, IELTS or PTE Academic might be your go-to. Prefer a healthcare-focused test? Try OET, and if you have experience with American English, TOEFL IBT could be the best fit for you. Here are some quick tips to help you succeed. 1. Familiarize yourself with the test format. 2. Practice regularly, focusing on all 4 components: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. 3. Take mock tests to track your progress. 4. Consider professional preparation services to boost your confidence and performance. Clearing the OPRA exam is a big step, but proving your English language skills is just as important. With proper preparation, you can achieve the scores you need and move closer to your dream of practicing in Australia. Have any questions or need guidance? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on becoming a healthcare professional in Australia. Good luck.